Learn what a role is and how it factors into your content policies. Roles are the building blocks of content policies. To create a classifier that you would assign to a content policy, you have to assign roles to that classifier. To create a role, go ahead and click on your account name, integrations, and content quality. Here we can already see some classifiers created, but if I click add classifier, then we can go ahead and call this learn site video. Here you'll be able to select the field, the operation, and then enter the value for the role that is going to be within your classifier. You also have the ability to select fail if any of the roles match or all of the roles match. If any of the roles match, you can have multiple roles within a classifier. The article being curated would fail. If all match, that means that every single role has to be identified and match with the article for it to not be curated. Going over the different, have title, that will be the title of the article. All text, that will be the title, body, abstract, publisher name, URL of an article. The article body, which is the written copy of an article. The abstract, which will be the summarization of content and the publisher includes with the article itself. The publisher name, and the URL. Fields will have different operations as well. Title in all text will be different. If we look at all text, we have 4 operations. Contains word, does not contain word, does not contain text, and contains text. Contains word means that the word or is not present in the text. Does not contain word means that that word specifically is, or it must be in that article. Does not contain text or contains text means that the version of the other word. For instance, if we're looking at title, title also has the addition of starts with, does not start with, has a value, and does not have a value. Starts with means that the title itself starts with a value. Does not start with means that the title itself does not start with a specific value, so it would not be included. Has a value and does not have a value. In this scenario, has a value and does not have a value means that there has to be a title for it to be able to be processed. If you click does not have a value, and has a value means that if there is any value in the title, which we see once we click on that becomes grayed out, it would not process. If we wanted to exclude the word the from the title, it'd simply be, you set the field as a title, contains the word and the value the, add the role, and then we can see right here, you can adjust the value once it is here. You can also remove the role from the classifier once you are finished. From there, click Save, and you have created a role for your classifier. If you have any questions about UP content, please give us a call at 412-447-1773 or shoot us an email at info@upcontent.com.